Ừ, sếp ơi, hôm nay em xin phép về sớm ạ. Em bị đau nào ấy.
Dạo này là cậu hơi bị nhiều bệnh đấy. Đau dạ dày, đau răng, đau chân. Thế hôm nay em đau cái gì nữa?
Em cũng không biết nữa.
Nhưng mà bệnh thì chữa được. Tôi thấy cậu còn bị bệnh nặng lắm cơ.
Ô, thế em bị bệnh gì hả sếp?
Bệnh nói dối.
Xin chào tất cả các bạn. Chào mừng các bạn đã đến với kênh YouTube channel của TVO. I hope you guys have a great day today. I hope you have a lot of energy in order to learn some more Vietnamese. I don't know about you, but this week I have so much work to do that I don't have enough time to get sleep or I don't eat properly. And you know that unhealthy diet and lifestyle could lead to many diseases. Or in Vietnamese, you could say mắc nhiều bệnh. As now classified for bệnh is căn. So you could also say một căn bệnh for a disease. For example, căn bệnh này rất khó chữa. However, besides the meaning of a disease, bệnh is also used to talk about bad habits. So, what structure do we use to express that meaning? Very easy. First, bệnh plus adjective, noun, or verb phrase. Second, if you want to say I have or I get a disease, you could say bị or mắc bệnh plus verb, adjective, or noun phrase. There are many phrases are created from that structure. However, today I will only bring up in detail 3 phrases that I personally have experience with. Let's find out. First, bệnh đi muộn or bệnh muộn giờ. Đi muộn or muộn giờ means that you are late for something. It could be school, work, an appointment, or a date. So, bệnh đi muộn or bệnh muộn giờ is used to describe people who are always late for whatever it is. For example,
Em xin lỗi cô, em đi muộn ạ. Xin lỗi sếp, em đến muộn.
xin lỗi, đến muộn.
Bệnh đi muộn rồi con này không chữa được.
Second, bệnh lười. Lười is an adjective meaning lazy. So, bệnh lười is used to describe people who are too lazy to do anything. Sometimes they could come up with all kinds of reasons, all kinds of excuses just to get out of the task that they have to do. This one could lead to another bad habit, bệnh nói dối.
Alo Huyền ơi, xe chị bị hỏng, em đến đón chị đi. Thôi em đang bận lắm, chị gọi taxi đi.
Cái gì?
Bận gì mà bận, mày mắc bệnh lười thì có.
Third, bệnh nghề nghiệp. If you have watched the video named Nationalities and Jobs, you may be familiar with the word nghề nghiệp. It means jobs. So, what is bệnh nghề nghiệp? Originally, it means occupational disease. And according to Wikipedia, are you ready? It means that any chronic ailment that occurs as a result of work or occupational activity. It is an aspect of occupational safety and health. Oh, so serious, right? However, in real life, you could also use bệnh nghề nghiệp in order to talk about people who too obsessed with their work that they bring it out to their life. It's like they always follow company regulations and they apply it to other people, although it's not in the company anymore. It's weird, right? Everyone have different experience with bệnh nghề nghiệp. Mine will be like this.
Thank you chị. Em nói thế là sai ngữ pháp rồi.
Thế hiểu chưa? Thế nên là hoặc là thank you hoặc là xin lỗi. Bệnh nghề nghiệp ấy mà. Besides these examples, there are other common phrases that you may hear in daily conversation or read on the news.
Bệnh nói dối. Bệnh nói nhiều. Bệnh vô cảm. Bệnh lo lắng. Bệnh ích kỷ. Bệnh thành tích. Bệnh sống ảo.
Lastly, I want to mention another meaning of bệnh, but just like English, bệnh in bệnh hoạn also means sick, not like physically sick, but mentally sick. And I have searched dictionary. Sick is used to talk about anyone who does things that are strange and cruel and seems mentally ill. Oh, again, so serious, right? But you can also use it among a very close friends who you feel free to swear at. For example, mày bệnh thế? Or, eo ơi, thằng này bệnh vãi. Now, you have known more words with the word bệnh and also with another meaning. Use it smartly, carefully, and creatively. Thank you for your time. Please click like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you in next lesson. Bye bye.